Hello sir, my name is Sumant and I have chosen the topic as human-computer interaction for my literature review, and in this video I am going to explain you about that. Uh, Starting off with the introduction, HCI is the acronym of human-computer interaction. It is nothing but the study of how humans interact with the computer systems, and the concept might look simple, but the impact it has on the computer systems and the user interface is very large, and many fields contribute to this HCI, like psychology, ergonomics, and graphic design, etc. And as we know that computers are everywhere, people from every age group use computer systems these days. HCI is very much needed these days because the more attractive and the more comfortable the user is with the user interface, uh, the more time he spends with it. And the user interface is nothing but the part of the system which user interacts to achieve or accomplish his goals or actions. And as we know, the use of internet and social media platforms like WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram is drastically increasing. So the data we get from these platforms is very huge, and this data can be used for the advancement and development of the society, and also evolution of new technology. Many of them are facing issues due to the usability issues in HCI. Now let me tell you about usability issues. Uh, the user interface and the ways of interacting with the user interface is different for each system, and depending on the design of the interface can be usable or problematic. Usable basically means the interface which is easy to learn and easy to use, and problematic is that uh, and the problematic interface is that kind of interface which is hard to learn, because it might have a bad design language or bad graphic design or functionalities, etc. For example, when we use an ATM machine, the screen which we use to perform some actions or transactions is the user interface in case of an ATM machine. In case of a computer or laptop, the mouse or keyboard is the user interface, because we give the input in order to perform some actions through the keyboard or input through a click or pressing the button. And in the case of an ATM, we give the input through touch. And in case of our mobile phones, we give the input through touch because the screen itself is the interface, and the input can be given through the screen. In times, the use of computers have recorded a huge profits, but some of them are facing huge losses because of usability issues, basically due to bad design language. For example, many of us might have come across to this situation in our daily lives when we visit a website and we try to find for some information or a product, and due to outdated functionalities of the website or bad graphic design, we come out of the website without finding it, or without finding a product or information. It's because the user is not satisfied with the interface, or not comfortable in using that particular website, which is nothing but the usability issue in HCI. So these kind of usability issues can be improved using HCI concepts, and there is something called usability testing, uh, which improves the quality of the interface and also and the comfort the user will have with the interface. And there are three types of usability testings. First one is the in-person usability testing, and the second one is remote, and the second one is monitored remote usability testing, and the third one is unmonitored remote usability testing. In the first one, which is the in-person usability testing, it is directly observed and interacted during the session. And the in the second type of the usability testing, which is monitored usability testing, tester completes the actions remotely, but he will be observed or engaged remotely. And in the third type of the usability testing, which is unmonitored usability testing, the actions will be first completed by the tester, and then the results of that particular usability testing will be analyzed and reviewed later. Usability in HCI ensures the learnability or ease of use of using a particular device or computer system. Usability measures the degree to which a user can learn about a particular interface effectively and efficiently, and how fast he can do that. And it also takes into account the satisfaction of the user. Usability testing is a way to evaluate the interfaces with real users in a mock environment or a prototype or a real environment. The usability testing helps us in finding the mistakes or loopholes the interface has, so that we can analyze the results and feedback to improve the issues. And usually in a formal test, the minimum requirements are a person with a list of tasks to perform, and two video cameras. One is to capture the participant's face, because the reaction he makes at a particular point of time uh, uh, helps us to analyze the where and at what point of time the participant felt like that. And another camera is to record the computer screen, so that we can link both the expression of the participant and the uh, task which he was performing at that point of time. And videotaping this type of usability testings will help people in analyzing and discussing ways to improve a particular interface. And it is scientifically proven that at least 5 people will provide efficient and sufficient feedback or results. Now talking about some of the advantages of usability testing is that it helps in improving the end user satisfaction, and also helps in identifying the issues before the product is marketed. And it also makes the system more highly effective and efficient. And it also helps in getting feedback from professional users and not from random or general public. And some of the disadvantages of performing the usability testing is uh, cost is a major disadvantage, because it needs a lot of equipment like lab and computer cameras, and also recruiting and managing the usability testers can be expensive. But anyway, these costs can help in improving the product or improving the interface, so that the losses can be minimized. And hence from all this we can say that giving more importance to HCI can improve the efficiency and effectiveness of a particular interface. And not only that, the satisfaction and productivity of a particular user can also be increased drastically. And for enhancing the profitability, different methods like graphic designing and innovative ideas from different people or employees. And usability testing also concentrates on user friendliness and accuracy. By accuracy, I mean the data which they are providing in the interface is correct and accurate. And suppose in case of a website, the links present should not be broken, and everything should be working fine. And user friendliness means the controls which they have in the interface should be self-explanatory and must not require training by some people. And there should be some help in the beginning when user comes and uses the interface, because at the start of using a new interface, it might be a bit difficult for them to get used to it. So there must be a kind of demo video or demo navigation kind of thing. And hence from this we can say that giving more importance to HCI is very much needed. Hope you liked my presentation, sir. Thank you.